Hey humans, welcome back to otro videito más. So today we are literally going with the feels. Does the iPhone 14 Pro feel any different than the 15 Pro and Pro Max? Well, let's find out. The answer is yes. Yes, it does feel different, but which one feels better? So here on the table, I have the 15 Pro Max and the 14 Pro. I ended up getting the iPhone 15 Pro Max because two things: USB-C, the new Tetraprism design on the telephoto lens with the 5x like optical zoom, which from what I've tested out is great. It works really well. So when they were talking about the design changing and all this, I was like, man, that basically kind of looks the same. How is it really gonna feel that different? And yeah, as soon as you pick it up, the difference is night and day. Rounded edges on the iPhone 15 Pro Max are very subtle, but you can definitely feel them. It does feel better than the sharp corners of the 14 Pro. Now, if you remember the iPhone 11, that one also had round edges, like super round edges. The 15 Pro and the Pro Max is like an in-between the iPhone 11 and the 14. So in my opinion, is the perfect shape. Even though the 15 Pro and Pro Max do feel a little bit slippery, if you know what I mean. It does feel more comfortable to hold than the 14 Pro though. You can definitely feel the edges on these phones. The 14 is just sharp. It's in there. But the 15 is just very subtle, but it works. You can feel the difference. If you were to put a blindfold on me right now and just gave me each to hold, I could probably tell you with 100% certainty, probably in 100% don't really match, but I can definitely tell you with 100% certainty which one's which. The difference is there. Now, when it comes to handling the smaller Pro size, aka the 6.1 inch, it's definitely a lot easier to handle, and it definitely feels more balanced in the hand than this massive 6.7 inch. 0.6 inches don't seem like a lot, but on these, it definitely makes a difference. Like, this just feels like nothing compared to the 15 Pro Max. Now, I would imagine that the 15 Pro with the titanium and everything would feel a lot lighter than this 14 Pro, so it would probably handle even better than what this one feels like. So also keep in mind that the action button up here is really hard to press when handling the 15 Pro Max. So if you plan on using that action button all the time, then you should probably plan on getting the 6.1 inch iPhone 15 Pro. But let's be honest, who in their right mind is going to handle the 15 Pro Max with no case? Especially with all the videos that have come out showing how sensitive and fragile this new titanium phone is. I'm definitely going to be rocking a case. My preference is the one from Moment. That way I can attach other lenses like this anamorphic lens. In general, here are my honest thoughts. If you don't care about the 5x telephoto lens, and don't even bother getting the Pro Max version of the iPhone 15 because it's just very big, and with the case it'll be a lot bigger. Now, if the 5x telephoto lens was available on the 6.1 inch iPhone 15 Pro, then that's what I would have gone for. Do with this information what you want, but I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, let me know in the comments below your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, Tetraprism.